Today, I'll walk you through how to create a Notion progress bar, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a visual progress tracker so you can keep your projects on track and motivated. Let's dive right in. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want to create your progress bar. If you're not familiar with Notion, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout may vary depending on your setup. Now, click on the plus sign to add a new block. This is your starting point for creating the progress bar. Once you've done that, select the option for a number. This will allow you to input numerical data that will represent your progress. Next, it's time to rename the tab. Click on the title and give it a name that reflects what you're tracking. For this example, I'll use completion rate. This helps you stay organized and makes it clear what the progress bar represents. Now, let's move on to the formula. Click on the formula option to set up the calculation for your progress. This is where the magic happens. Click on the column title to make adjustments to your formula. Once you're in the formula editor, click on Edit Formula. Here, you'll type in the formula that calculates your progress. For this sample, I'll key in completed divided by target. This is a straightforward way to track how much of your goal has been achieved. After entering the formula, click on the number format option. This step is crucial because it allows you to display your progress in a way that's easy to understand. Then select percent to convert the number into a percentage format. Next, click on Edit Property and choose the bar option. This will transform your numerical data into a visual progress bar. You can also modify the color of the bar to make it more visually appealing and aligned with your personal style or brand. Now, let's finalize your progress bar. Click on completion rate to ensure that your progress is accurately reflected. Then adjust the decimal places by clicking on decimal places. Choose the desired number of decimal places to show. I'll use 2 for clarity. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Notion progress bar that visually tracks your progress. This simple yet effective tool can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.